Like the video, subscribe for more factory stories, and share it with others.
In some countries, a single Buddha's hand can cost more than premium fruits.
This rare citrus fruit is called Buddha's hand, also known as finger lemon.
Each fruit grows in a completely different shape, with long finger-like sections.
No two Buddha's hand fruits are ever the same in size or form.
Unlike regular lemons, this fruit has no juice and no seeds.
It grows only in specific regions and requires years of careful cultivation.
Farmers must protect each finger because damage lowers its value.
The difficulty of growing perfect shapes is why this fruit is so expensive.
This is where Buddha's hand becomes a high-value luxury business. In local markets, Buddha's hand is sold at specialized fruit stalls.
In high-end shops, it is treated as a luxury citrus product.
Buyers carefully inspect the shape before purchasing.
Each fruit is sold individually, not by weight.
The journey begins in orchards, where the fruit first appears small and green.
As it grows, the fingers slowly start forming.
No two fruits grow in the same shape.
Size variation is natural and unpredictable.
Over time, the fruit ripens and turns bright yellow. Only fully ripened fruits are selected for premium use.
Buddha's hand grows in carefully managed orchards, not wild fields.
At first, the fruit appears small and tightly closed.
Slowly, the finger-like structure begins to form.
Each fruit develops its own unique shape.
One tree can produce multiple shapes at the same time.
Workers inspect every fruit by hand to protect its shape.
As the fruit grows larger, color change begins.
The fingers stretch and separate fully as it matures.
Only fully ripened fruits reach this golden stage.
These selected fruits are prepared for harvest and processing.
To protect every finger.
Unlike regular fruits, Buddha's hand requires protective handling.
The fruits are transported gently to processing facilities.
Each fruit is inspected before entering the factory.
The fruits move slowly onto conveyor belts designed to prevent damage. Even at scale, shape protection remains the priority.
The fruits are gently washed to remove dust and residue. Machines and workers analyze shape, size, and quality. Only perfectly shaped fruits are selected for premium processing.
The selected fruits are now ready for processing.
Peeling begins by hand to protect the fruit's unique structure.
The aromatic peel is separated carefully from the inner pith. Each worker uses skill and experience rather than speed.
The inner portion is separated without crushing the fruit.
The peel is collected for high-value jam production. Cutting begins only after careful preparation.
Each cut is precise, protecting aroma and texture. High value demands consistent hand craftsmanship.
Quality is monitored at every step.
The prepared peel now moves toward the cooking stage. The prepared peel moves into the cooking zone.
Water is added to soften the aromatic peel.
The peel is transferred carefully into cooking vessels.
Heat is kept low to protect natural oils.
Slow cooking releases fragrance without bitterness.
Sugar is added in precise quantities.
The mixture begins transforming into jam.
Gentle heat creates the perfect consistency.
Texture is checked before packaging.
The jam is now ready for packaging.
Each jar receives a premium identity.
The jam is filled with exact precision. Every jar is sealed and inspected. Production scales to meet global demand.
The product is prepared for distribution. A final touch of citrus luxury.
Chefs use it to elevate desserts.
A final touch of citrus luxury.
A simple spread delivers complex flavor. This rare jam commands a premium price.
The jam is filled with exact precision.
Only aromatic peel is chosen for citron tea.
Careful washing preserves natural citrus oils.
Drying concentrates aroma and nutrients.
Hot water activates citrus compounds.
The tea infuses naturally without bitterness.
Honey enhances flavor and soothing effects.
This tea supports digestion and respiratory comfort.
It helps reduce cold, cough, and stress.
A simple process, delivering natural wellness.
The jam adds citrus depth to desserts. It works perfectly as a premium filling.
A touch of citrus transforms fresh salads.
Chefs use it as an elegant garnish.
It enhances both hot and cold drinks.
It pairs well with seasonal fruits.
One ingredient, many possibilities. This rare citrus defines premium taste. A rare fruit, crafted with care.
If you enjoyed this journey from orchard to table, like the video, subscribe for more factory stories, and share it with others.
Customers value its rarity and aroma.